Hi everyone, I thought I'd do a tapping today on resistance to change. I don't know about you, but sometimes the old familiar seems so familiarly comfortable that even if I don't like it, it's hard to stay, it's hard to change that pattern. And I'm running some workshops that allow people to see what's not working and make that change for themselves to create something that does work. And I just thought, I'm probably not the only person who self-sabotages and who puts that limit on myself. So I thought I would do some tapping. So as always, tapping on the side of the hand. And if you choose to tap with me, you're taking responsibility for your own well-being. So even though sometimes the comfortably uncomfortable is just so comfortable, I love and accept the part of me that is reluctant to make changes. Even though I know there are changes I want to make, things I want to do differently, and it feels like there's something stopping me. I love and accept the part of me that thinks it's protecting me, and I'd like it to know it's running on limited information, and rather than helping me, it's blocking me, and that's not helpful. So I give that part that's sabotaging me permission to stop and to go off and do some playing instead, and let the grown-up part of me do things differently. It's time, and it's safe, and I'm allowed. Even though I may still be running old family beliefs that tell me what's possible and what isn't, I'm choosing to thank the people involved and release anything that's no longer working for my highest good, so I can make new choices for myself. There's a safer and healthier and so much more fun. It's time. I've done the old stuff for so long. I'm tired of being blocked. I'm tired of blocking myself. And maybe the comfortably uncomfortable has finally become uncomfortably uncomfortable. And maybe I'm ready to make changes. And I love and accept all parts of me. And that's sort of thing you can do for anything, not just for booking on a workshop to clear stuff, though that would be lovely, but also anything that you're procrastinating about, anything you're getting in your own way about. Just tap for those parts that are doing their best, give them permission to go off and play, and then refocus to where you want to be. So I do hope I'll see you on one of my workshops, where we can go into this in much more depth and clear out the old stuff that's getting in your way, because so much of the stuff that prevents us shining our light is not our stuff in the first place. It comes from who knows how many generations back, and it's really not relevant for who we are now. And it's time to update all the parts of us that have been running on outdated information, so they're able to do things differently. So take care and see you again soon. Bye.